Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. I am so excited to start sharing my wedding content with you guys, and I'm super excited to reveal my wedding hair. My hairstylist is called Lisa Alger and she's won a wedding award before. I found her on Instagram. I just spent a few hours stalking lots of wedding hairstylists based in Essex, and I came across her and just fell in love with what she does. I will obviously pop links below so you can check her out. Do check her out because her hairstyles are amazing, and she's even just introduced online courses as well if you are interested in that or are currently a wedding hairstylist and kind of want a bit more inspiration. Yeah, so I decided to go for an updo. I decided that because of the way my dress was and the style of my dress, being a v-neck and kind of with just kind of thin straps, I just felt like my hair needed to be up. I also felt like the dress was so glam that I needed my hair to be up for it to just kind of work. I tried my dress on the first time with my hair down and it wasn't really vibing it. Just wasn't really, it felt like this was so cash and down there was so dressy, so I felt like having it up kind of just suited the dress. And yeah, and then I decided to wear a veil. And I decided to have like a 2-tier veil. I will pop photos in at the end of this video just so you can see the full look together, because obviously I'm just wearing a t-shirt now. So yeah, it's not the proper look. And I also went for this amazing, beautiful handmade crown with crystals in. This is from Beretka. I'll pop a link below. She's got a store on Etsy and she hand makes them all, and they are beautiful and it's really comfortable to wear, and I just thought it really suited the whole vibe of what I was going for the wedding. And then this is the hair. So I've gone for kind of like a messy, curly, braided updo. I'm going to do a little spin for you in a minute. But yeah, really pleased with what Lisa did. She did a trial as well where we tested out lots of different looks, but this was the one that I really felt kind of just suited me, suited the dress, and I just really liked. So yeah, I'm gonna pop a little clip into the hair tutorial and how Lisa created the look, and then at the end you'll be able to see some little peeks of the wedding and the full look together. So let's go. What? Cut, chop, snip, am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick, am I pretty now?
Spends the daytime flicking through her phone. She's in a group chat but she out alone. She's spending hours keeping up to date with people she ain't gonna meet again. She watch a blogger fake, they just woke up. They teaching tricks for college J makeup. She wanna learn to look just like them. The bloggers teach a couple things to men. Slim down her waist, try to fix herself. Hairbrush her face like she's someone else. She touch up and brush up on Photoshop. She making herself into what she not. She say, ooh, am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip, am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick, am I pretty now? Am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip, am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick, am I pretty now? She's skipping breakfast in the morning, oh. She needs to lose weight cause her throat sits up. She fix her face up with a face tune up. She sends a picture over Facebook chat. She checking if the photo look alright before she post it on her gram tonight. She need a straight opinion from her friends. The girls say there's a couple things to mend. Slim down her waist, try to fix herself. Hairbrush her face like she's someone else. She touch up and brush up on Photoshop. She making herself into what she not. She say, ooh, am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip, am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick, am I pretty now? Am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip, am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick, am I pretty now? Hard to face up in the mirror. No skin and getting clearer. She don't sleep. Keep on crying about a figure. Pretty girls are such a trigger. She say, ooh, am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick. Am I pretty now? Am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick. Am I pretty now? What? Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick. Am I pretty now? She spends the daytime flicking through her phone. She's in a group chat, but she out alone. She's spending hours keeping up to date with people she ain't gonna meet again. She watch a blogger fake, they just woke up. They teaching tricks for Kylie J makeup. She wanna learn to look just like them. The bloggers teach a couple things to men. Slim down her waist, try to fix herself. Hairbrush her face like she's someone else. She touch up and brush up on Photoshop. She making herself into what she not. She say, ooh, am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick. Am I pretty now? Am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick. Am I pretty now? She's skipping breakfast in the morning. Oh, she needs to lose weight 'cause her throat sits up. She fixed her face up with a face tune up. She sends a picture over Facebook chat. She checking if the photo look alright before she post it on her gram tonight. She need a straight opinion from her friends. The girls say there's a couple things to mend. Slim down her waist, try to fix herself. Hairbrush her face like she's someone else. She touch up and brush up on Photoshop. She making herself into what she not. She say, ooh, am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick. Am I pretty now? Am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now? Brush, crop, stick. Am I pretty now? Her teeth. See her face up in the mirror. No skin and getting clearer. She don't sleep. Keep on crying about a figure. Pretty girls are such a trigger. She say, ooh, am I pretty now? Pretty like a model. Oh, got so many flaws, this is how I saw them. Cut, chop, snip. Am I pretty now?
So that was it. I really hope you enjoyed watching my stylist create my hair and how I had my hair on my wedding day. Obviously I went for blue hair. I know it's a bit outrageous, but I couldn't not have it blue. It's me, and everyone told me to be me on my wedding day, regardless of whether I would regret it in years to come, or, you know. So I just did me, because YOLO, you know, you only live once and you're living your life now. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave any comments below. Happy to get back to any of you guys about any advice or tips, and don't forget to check Lisa out. Peace out.